Hi, welcome to Next Solar. We're here in Hertford and today we're going to be installing 9 BIPVco panels of 175 watts each panel, and they are longer panels and small, and they are designed to fit on a zinc roof just like this one. The steps of the installation will be that we're going to be cleaning the roof, and once we've cleaned the roof we're going to make sure that it's dry and look also for any dust or residue that is left behind. And once that is done, we're going to be sticking the panels on the roof. And also we're going to bring all the electrical work around it. And in this property we're going to be installing a 1.5 kilowatt system, and to that we're going to be connecting a PV inverter and Solis, and once all of that is finished, it's going to be commissioned later on in the video, so stick around and watch us do this work. Thank you very much for watching this video. We've now finished installing the panels on the zinc roof. As you can see, the panels, you can see them and they stick on the roof very well. And if you have any roof like this one, which is zinc, or any other metal roof, and you would like to install this BIPVco panels, please get in touch with us, and we will make sure that you actually get these panels on your roof. And if you have any other questions, please contact us at nextsolar.co.uk or click on the link below, and it will direct you to our website. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.